Welcome back to TrueHost Academy, where we bring you the latest tips, tools, and strategies to help you grow your business online. Today, we're discussing AI email marketing tools to use in 2024. AI is transforming email marketing by automating tasks, personalizing content, and optimizing results. Ready to see how these tools can boost your campaigns? Let's get started. AI email marketing tools are revolutionizing how businesses interact with their audiences. But how do these tools actually work? Simply put, they use artificial intelligence to learn from user interactions and historical data. This enables them to optimize various aspects of email campaigns, such as the timing of sends, subject lines, and even the content itself. The result? Highly personalized and targeted messages that resonate with your audience, driving better engagement and higher conversions. Now, let's explore some of the best AI email marketing tools available today and see how they can supercharge your email marketing efforts. First on our list is MailChimp. Known for its user-friendly interface, MailChimp offers a powerful AI-driven platform that's perfect for businesses of all sizes. With features like a drag-and-drop editor, advanced segmentation, and AI-powered tools that generate email copy and optimize campaign performance, MailChimp makes it easy to create effective email campaigns. However, it's worth noting that MailChimp doesn't offer unlimited email plans, which could be a limitation for larger businesses. Next up is Rasa.io, a tool that takes personalization to the next level. Rasa.io uses AI to create newsletters tailored to each subscriber's interests, ensuring maximum relevance and engagement. It's perfect for businesses looking to strengthen relationships with their audience through curated content. Although its pricing starts at $190 per month, the value it provides through personalized newsletters can be well worth the investment. Moving on, we have Optimovi, an AI tool that focuses on enhancing customer engagement through data-driven strategies. Optimove's predictive analytics help identify customers at risk of disengagement, allowing marketers to implement re-engagement strategies proactively. While it's a robust tool, Optimove's lack of some essential features might be a drawback for certain users. Another standout tool is Seventh Sense, which excels in optimizing send times and content for each recipient. By using AI to determine the best time to send emails, Seventh Sense helps businesses increase open rates and overall engagement. However, new users might find the interface a bit challenging, so be prepared for a learning curve. If you're looking for AI that handles email conversations in real time, Drift Email is the tool for you. Drift Email's AI-powered features are designed to engage customers and prospects through conversational marketing, making it ideal for businesses that want to streamline customer interactions. However, keep in mind that Drift Email is more of a conversational tool and might need to be integrated with other platforms for full email marketing capabilities. Finally, we have Phrasee, an AI tool that helps businesses create high-performing, on-brand email content. With its advanced natural language generation and machine learning, Phrasee can craft personalized subject lines and email copy that resonate with your audience. While it's an enterprise-focused tool, its ability to generate and optimize email content at scale makes it a valuable asset for larger businesses. With so many options available, how do you choose the right AI email marketing tool for your business? Here are a few key factors to consider. 1. Scalability. Ensure the tool can grow with your business. 2. Customization. Options. Look for tools that offer robust customization for your brand. 3. Integration capabilities. Make sure the tool integrates smoothly with your existing systems. 4. Ease of use. Choose a tool that your team can easily adopt and use. 5. Reporting and analytics. Comprehensive analytics are essential for tracking your campaign's performance. AI email marketing tools are reshaping how businesses connect with their audiences. By leveraging these tools, you can save time, enhance personalization, and drive better results from your email campaigns. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your existing strategies, these AI tools offer something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TrueHost Academy for more insights on how to grow your business online. See you in the next video.